Welcome to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered how to restore your hair's strength and shine in a single step? That's exactly what the Extreme Caviar Conditioner Balm by Miriam Quevedo promises. This luxurious conditioner is designed to deeply hydrate, regenerate, and strengthen hair, leaving it healthier and more vibrant. Before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you won't miss any future reviews like this one. Now, let's talk about this product. The Extreme Caviar Conditioner Balm is a high-end, unisex conditioner, perfect for anyone looking to treat their hair to some serious nourishment. Infused with some powerhouse ingredients like caviar, keratin peptides, and a multivitamin 8 complex, this conditioner is all about rebuilding your hair's strength from the inside out. It targets broken keratin bonds, helping to regenerate the hair structure while providing deep hydration that your hair craves. In terms of texture, the balm is creamy but not overly thick. It glides onto the hair easily and feels smooth and rich, almost like a spa treatment for your strands. The application process is effortless. After shampooing, I simply apply a generous amount, working it from the mid-lengths to the ends, and let it sit for a couple of minutes. It's designed to be quick but effective. As for the results, I was impressed by how soft and smooth my hair felt after just one use. It wasn't weighed down, yet my hair was visibly shinier, and the frizz was significantly reduced. The real test, though, came after several uses. My hair felt more resilient, stronger, and the overall texture was noticeably improved. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the positive side, the product lives up to its claims of hydration and strengthening. It's great for anyone with dry or damaged hair, offering a quick fix for repairing broken bonds and restoring softness. The luxurious feel and noticeable results make it worth trying, especially if you're into premium hair care. On the flip side, it is on the pricier side. It's definitely an investment, so it may not be the first choice for those on a budget or if you're just looking for a basic conditioner. Additionally, for some, the scent might feel a little strong, but it's not overpowering enough to be a deal breaker. Is this conditioner worth its price? Honestly, it really depends on your hair needs. If you've got chemically treated or naturally dry hair, the Extreme Caviar Conditioner Balm can provide some serious improvements in terms of softness, strength, and hydration. But if you're just looking for something basic, you might find a more affordable option that does the trick. If you're looking for something similar but more budget-friendly, there are a few good alternatives out there. For instance, conditioners with keratin and essential oils can offer similar benefits without the premium price tag. If you'd like, I can dive into some of those in a future video. In terms of packaging and build, it's everything you'd expect from a high-end brand. The jar is sleek and feels substantial, and the product itself seems to have a good shelf life. I haven't noticed any changes in its performance over time, which is always a good sign when it comes to luxury beauty products. Now, before I wrap up, is this review helping you out? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this one. And if you're itching to grab this product, the link is in the comments. In conclusion, the Extreme Caviar Conditioner Balm by Miriam Quevedo lives up to its promises of luxurious hydration and hair regeneration. If you're looking to treat your hair to a high-quality, reparative conditioner, this is a great option. Just be prepared for the premium price that comes with it. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product or have any thoughts, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences with this conditioner. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.